Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to log in Erast Bank. So if you want to log in on this bank, go to Google, search for Erast Bank, log in. As you can see here, click on the first website here. This is the user login. So log in for employee or client. If you have a client, click the first result here. From this page, all you have to do, write your nickname or your email. After that, write your password and then click on login option. So in the second website, click on employee, login for employee. Use this option, your user and PIN, OTP codes, and then click on login. You can also download Erast Bank app. Just download this app and then click install. After that, log in. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.